we are making crispy vegetable spring rolls. Finely chop cabbage, carrot, capsicum, spring onion and garlic. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add the garlic, then stir fry all the vegetables for a few minutes. Season with salt, black pepper, soya sauce, chili sauce and a splash of vinegar. Mix everything well. Transfer the filling to a bowl and let it cool completely before rolling. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface and add a spoonful of the vegetable filling. Fold the sides, roll it tightly and seal the edges with a little flour paste. Carefully place the spring rolls into hot oil and fry until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove the spring rolls and place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Serve them with sweet chili sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. Break the open to reveal the colorful vegetable filling, crispy on the outside, packed with flavorful vegetables on the inside. Enjoy!